Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can connect a car connect in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster and the Porsche Cayman. So if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to find the Car Connect settings, it's pretty simple. Just go here to your screen in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So as you can see guys, right here in this screen, in the left, you're gonna find all of these sections. Make sure that you are in the home section, and then here you're gonna find settings. Give it a click, and then here you're gonna find displays, voice control, audio, media, navigation, notification center, and so on. Scroll down until you find privacy and Porsche Connect. Give it a click, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find Connect services. Make sure it's active. If you have it inactive, just activate it, and then you're gonna be good. If you want to see the Car Connect settings, here you're gonna find overview of all Porsche Connect services. Get a click, and then here you're gonna find all of the services. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.